Good morning and happy Friday to you, my friends. So if everyone can please stand up and remember that left is green and right is red. And which hand goes over your heart? Right hand facing the flag, and let's begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All righty, friends, it is time for our recitation. And remember that this recitation and our final recitation, we are really looking for voice variation. Okay, so here we go. The Swing by Robert Louis Stevenson. How do you like to go up in a swing, up in the air so blue? Oh, I do think it is the pleasantest thing ever a child can do. Up in the air and over the wall till I can see so wide, river and trees and cattle and all over the countryside, till I look down on the garden green, down on the roof so brown. Up in the air I go flying again, up in the air and down. And don't forget to take your bow. All righty, friends. It is now time for morning meeting. And remember, the first thing we always do is see who our student of the day will be. So we know that yesterday our student of the day was Roy. So today's student of the day is Lily Cherry. Come on down. So if Lily were here, the very, very first thing Lily would do is turn the clock to morning. And then Lily would write her first and last name. But because Lily isn't here, Mrs. Haro will go ahead and do that for her. Okay. So I am going to write Lily Cherry. And Lily has really been working on writing her name in cursive. And she does a beautiful job at that. And then, of course, Mrs. Haro would give Lily her Student of the Day sticker. And finally, a pointer. And say, all righty, young lady, you are on. And Lily would say, this here thing is called a calendar. And this here is called a month. And what month are we in? April. And this here is called the year. And what year are we in? 2021. Now, friends, if yesterday was Thursday, then that means that today is Friday. But let's just go ahead and double check. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And how many days are in a week? 7 days in a week. And friends, it looks like we have a number day missing. Let's go ahead and count to see what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. But before we add our number 16, let's go ahead and do our A, B, C, D pattern. So here we go. Rectangle, square, parallelogram, hexagon. Rectangle, square, parallelogram, hexagon. Rectangle, square, parallelogram, hexagon. Rectangle, square, parallelogram, hexagon. All right, so let's go ahead and put our number day there, and then let's help Lily with the letters in the month. beginning with capital A, P, and remember, all of our lowercase letters go beneath the dotted line. R, Danilian I, and Danilian L, A, bro. And then, of course, we're going to finger space. And what two digits are we writing today? A 1 and a 6. And a 1 and a 6 makes what number? Correct, 16 followed by a comma. No, it's a comma number. Those sillies, it is a space. And then please go ahead and give us the digits in the year. 2, 0, 2, 1. And let's go ahead and read today's date with Willie. So here we go. Today's date is Friday, April 16th, 2021. Now, friends, if yesterday we were here 151 days, what would today be? Well, 151, 150, 152. So let's see. So we're going to draw out our great big bundle of 100s, followed by Mr. 10. So 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, followed by Mrs. Ones. 151, 152. So now let's go ahead and graph this on our days in school graph. All right, so in our 100s column, we are going to write A1. In Mr. 10's column, we are going to write 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will write a 5 in Mr. 10's column. Okay. And then finally in Mrs. 1's column, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Now let's see if our days in school graph matches our days in school tag. So do we have one great big bundle of 100s? Do we have 5 Mr. 10s? Do we have 2 Mrs. 1s? So how many days have we been in school? 152 days. Wow, that is a whole lot of days, my friends. All right, it is now time for our coin cup. And in our coin cup, we have some coins. Very first coin we have is the nickel. And when we count nickels, we count them by 5s, correct. And a nickel is worth how many cents? A nickel is worth, ding, 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 ding. You're right. A nickel is worth 5 cents. And then the second coin we have is the penny. And a penny is worth, 1 cent. And when we count pennies, we count them by, correct, 1s. So now we're going to start counting with our 5s, our nickels. And then when we switch coins, I will hold up the coin to let you know we gotta switch the counting. All right, so here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, hold on, 26, 27, 27 cents. And let's go ahead and write 27 cents on our coin cup. And friends, remember, do not forget the cent sign. So very, very important. Let's go ahead and count to see if the coins that we have on our meeting board matches our coin cup. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27. Perfect. It matches. All right, let's go ahead and do our counting. That was a chair, friends. Okay, and I always try to get the glare out, but our room has so much lighting in it that's a chair, friends, that it's hard to get that glare out, but I think I did pretty good. All right, so here we go by 100s. 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Perfect. Let's go ahead and let's do even numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Very good. Odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. All right, let's go ahead and count by tens. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And finally by fives. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Very good. All right, and before we move on, let's go ahead and do our coin song. Please get your beautiful voices ready. How much is a penny? How much is a nickel? How much is a dime? How much is a quarter? A penny is 1. A nickel is 5. A dime is 10. And a quarter's 25. And a dollar is 100 cents. Very, very good. All right, friends, let's go ahead and look at our pattern for today. So we start off with 31, 41, 51. We are counting by tens. 31, 41, 51. 61. Go back. 31, 41, 51, 61. 71. Go back. 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81. Great job, friends. All right. Look at our digital clock. Our digital clock reads 9:30. Analog clock reads 6:30. So we have to match our analog to our digital. Little hand is the hour hand. Big hand is the minute hand. So the first thing we have to do is locate 9:00. So here is 9:00. I want you to pay attention to the hour hand to see what happens when the minute hand goes 9:30. And we're going to stop right there. And what happened to our hour hand? It moved. Our hour hand is now between the 9 and the 10. Analog clock reads 9:30. Digital clock reads 9:30 or 9:30. All righty, friends. So here we go. Here's our hundreds chart. And let's go ahead and add another tens to that. Let's do threes. So here we go. 3, 13, 23, 33, 43, 53, 63, 73, 83, 93. All righty, friends. Today is Friday. So you know what that means. That means it is song time. Okay, so I want, hold on, let me find my library. Right, everybody stand up. Okay, everybody stand up. And we're going to start off with, let's do this one. Here we go.
5 little monkeys swinging from a tree, teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me. Along came Mr. Alligator, quiet as can be, and our monkey right out of that tree. 4 little monkeys swinging from the tree.
Let's go. Make sure you are standing up.
Quiet as can be, and snatched our monkey right out of that tree. 3 little monkeys swinging from a tree, teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me. Along came Mr. Alligator, quiet as can be, and snatched our monkey right out of that tree. 2 little monkeys swinging from a tree, teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me. Along came Mr. Alligator, quiet as can be, and snatched our monkey right out of that tree. 1 little monkey swinging from a tree, teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me. Along came Mr. Alligator, quiet as can be, and snatched our monkey right out of that tree. Miss me, now you gotta kiss me.
And freeze. All right. And here we go. And just follow along with me. Here we go.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Then you turn around.
Hurry up, Mrs. Strickland.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July,
Here she
August,
comes.
September, October, November, December. Then you turn
We have
around.
2 more. Hurry, hurry.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Then you turn around.
Last one.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Then you sit back down.
Freeze. I think we're going to have to do another song because Mrs. Strickland was trying to get to the camera, but she couldn't. She was stuck over there at the end of the other side of our classroom. So I think we're going to have Mrs. Strickland do this one with us. So hold on a second. I think we're going to
I'm here.
Say good morning.
Good morning. Oh, are we paused?
No.
Oh. Good morning.
All right. So I think we're going to do this one, but we're going to do the very first one. And this one's really easy. Okay, here we go. Here we go, friends. Remember, just follow the directions.
Okay, everybody, listen closely and follow the directions. Are you ready? Here we go. Raise your left hand. Raise your right hand. Wiggle them around. Now put your hands down. Touch your right hand to your nose. Touch your left hand to your toes. Put your hands over your ears. What was that? I couldn't hear. Now start marching.
Right, left. Make sure you lift your legs.
Left, right, left.
Stay in line.
Left, right, left.
Step in time.
Left, right, left.
You're doing fine.
Okay, now stand still and follow the directions. Wave your left hand. Wave your right hand. Blink your eyes. great big smile. Put your right hand on your hip.
Right hand on your hip.
Touch your left hand to your lip. Spread your arms out wide. Now put your hands at your side.
And start marching.
Left, right, left.
Let's go, guys. You should be up and moving. We don't even drink coffee and we're moving. Right, Mrs. Right.
Step in time.
Left, right, left.
You're doing fine. Okay, stand still again. Turn around to the left. Put your right hand on your head.
Right hand on your head.
Now turn around to the right.
Hold your left hand high.
Point your right hand to the sky.
Right hand to the sky.
Put your left hand over your eyes.
Left hand over your eyes.
Put your right hand on your head.
Right hand on your head.
Now shake hands with a friend.
Shake hands with a friend.
And start marching. Left, right, left.
Step in time.
Left,
Let them hear you, Mrs. Strickland.
stay.
In line.
Left, right, left.
Step in time.
Left.
You're doing fine. And freeze. All righty, friends. We are so excited it's Friday. But we're most excited because it's material pickup day. And you know what that means, right?
We get to see our friends.
We get to see you guys, so we're super excited. So we will see you in a little bit. Okay, so if you are after you do morning meeting, you're probably going to have to head out here. So we'll be waiting for you. Anything else you want to say, Mrs. Strickland?
Nope, I'm just very excited to see everyone.
Okay, all right, friends, see you in a bit. Bye.